Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Altaf Khan here with a new topic of immune system, that is cell mediated immunity. A very important topic to understand, to see how much delicate is human body to protect against the foreign toxic agents, foreign organisms like bacteria, virus. So this type of immunity, this is a type of acquired immunity which is with the help of T lymphocyte, as these are cells, so this is called as cell mediated immunity. Clear? So this is a type of adaptive or acquired immunity, acquired after the entry of the antigen. Now what will happen, कि mechanism is same, कि first of all antigen will enter in human body. Suppose bacteria enter in the human body, that bacteria will be phagocytosed by the macrophages, then the macrophages and some dendritic cells which are called as antigen presenting cell. After the phagocytosis and fragments of this antigen bacteria, they will present their specific part which is called antigen over their surface. Clear? But over their surface, that is attached with an important receptor, important molecule which is called as MHC2 molecule. Clear? MHC2 molecule. Now this antigen presenting cell will take this antigen, will travel in human blood, lymphatic system, and this will ultimately reach to the master of immune system, helper T cell. Clear? That is, you can say top leadership of immune system is our helper T cell. So this MHC2 bounded antigen which is present over the surface of antigen presenting cell, this will come and will align with the helper T cell. Clear? So what will be scenario? Scenario will be like that, कि this MHC2 molecule, this contains that specific antigen may be bacteria, virus or any other thing. This will be recognized by that helper T cell. Helper T cell have specific receptor to bound with this MHC2. These receptors are called CD4 positive receptor. So these receptor will bound that MHC. When they will bound this MHC, they will see this antigen. So there will be alarm on in the human body immune system. Due to that alarm, what will cause this helper T cell? Helper T cell will form the specific chemicals like interleukin 2. Clear? Interleukin 2, and also another thing like gamma interferon. So these are the substances which will be produced by the helper T cell after it recognizes specific antigen. So after the formation of these chemical, what they will do, okay, they will try to proliferate this helper T cell. Helper T cell will form, specific helper T cell will form memory cell against this antigen 1. Next, other cell, other T cell will also be proliferate in number. This interleukin 2 specially will cause the proliferation of cytotoxic T cell. Clear? Then cytotoxic T cell, they will increase in number. So these are our commando soldiers. What they will do? They will scatter in whole body. They will try to check where the terrorist is. Clear? If the terrorist is attached with even the human body cell, suppose this is a cell where the virus is attached, this cytotoxic cell may kill that body cell. One cell will be killed which is attached, so that this cell is protected from this virus. So cytotoxic T cell will scatter throughout the body and will cause phagocytosis of this bacteria so that we get rid of this bacteria. Now another thing, this gamma interferon, what they will do, this gamma interferon will also activate these cytotoxic T cell and also another phagocytic cells. What are these? Macrophages. Macrophages will be more activated, and also some other cell known as natural killer cell, they will also be activated. So after this step there will be multiple cytotoxic T cell activated macrophages, so speed of phagocytosis will be increased so much that we get rid of that antigen. So this will be mechanism. Now at each step continuously that helper T cell will regulate this system. This will stimulate the cytotoxic T cell to kill that virus, kill that bacteria, kill that antigen, and also they will stimulate macrophages, natural killer cell. So continuously that helper T cell, why? Because these are called as helper, they will help this immune system. Now in this system, what we have said, this will try to cover this antigen, and what are the key rollers of this system? Player of this system, these are either cytotoxic T cell or helper cell or natural killer cell or macrophages. So this immunity is with the help of these cells, not the antibody. So this type of immunity is called as cell mediated immunity. Clear that? Simply. Or as T cell are contributing, cytotoxic is a T cell, helper is a T cell. Clear? So they will cause the help to combat this infection. So this type of immunity is called as T cell immunity with the help of T lymphocyte, or cell mediated immunity as cells contribute. Clear? So इसमें आज हमने डिस्कस किया इम्यून सिस्टम का दूसरा पार्ट, एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनिटी की दूसरी टाइप, जिसको हमने कहा सेल मीडिएटेड इम्यूनिटी। सेल मीडिएटेड इसलिए कि इसके मीडिएटर, काम करने वाले जो सोल्जर्स थे वो सेल ही थे, खुद मार रहे थे एंटीजन को। एंटीजन सेम मैकेनिज्म में पहले आएगा, उसका एंटीजन प्रेजेंटिंग सेल, उसका ख़ास सीक्वेंस जिसको एंटीजन कहते हैं उस बैक्टीरिया का, उसको सेपरेट करेगा, अपनी सरफेस पे MHC2 मॉलिक्यूल के साथ अटैच करेगा, फिर जाएगा किसके पास? इम्यून सिस्टम के आका के पास, दैट इज़ नोन एज हेल्पर टी सेल। उसके पास जाएगा, हेल्पर टी सेल को वो दिखाएगा स्केच किसका? एंटीजन का, जो MHC2 के साथ बाउंड है। हेल्पर टी सेल के पास CD4 रिसेप्टर हैं जो MHC2 को बाउंड करके वहाँ उसकी आंखें देख सकते हैं कि एंटीजन ये कौन सा है, किस सेल्स को मैंने एक्टिवेट करना है। फिर ये हेल्पर टी सेल प्रोलिफरेट होंगे, साइटोटॉक्सिक को भी प्रोलिफरेट करेंगे, कुछ मेमोरी सेल बनेंगे ताकि नेक्स्ट एक्सपोजर में हेल्पर टी सेल उनको देख सकें। साइटोटॉक्सिक टी सेल बहुत ज़्यादा बन जाएंगे, पूरे जिस्म में फैल जाएंगे, पूरे जिस्म में इस बैक्टीरिया को, वायरस को, फंगस को किल करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे। और हेल्पर टी सेल चीज़ें बनाएगा, केमिकल बनाएगा, इंटरल्यूकिन, गामा इंटरफेरॉन, ये केमिकल कंटिन्यूसली इन सेल को, किलिंग सेल को और मैक्रोफेजेस जो फैगोसाइटिक सेल हैं उनको स्टिमुलेट करते रहेंगे ताकि उस एंटीजन को किल करें और ह्यूमन बॉडी उससे प्रोटेक्ट हो जाए। तो इसको कहते हैं सेल मीडिएटेड इम्यूनिटी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर।